Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel, G RAThbun. Hey, you're getting ready to start an adventure with me to Sturgis, South Dakota, 2023. Oh, what a time we had. I have many a video coming up your way, and I hope you enjoy them all. It's not all about just partying and girls. Sometimes there's other things to do too. But enjoy what you're about to see. Thanks for following. Grab that cup of coffee and give me 10 minutes of your time. The angels coming through town. That's going to stop everybody. So that was a good choice. That's okay. It's their territory. They can do what the hell they want. Push one off his bike and take it. Yeah, sure I could. Respect is their territory. They could be assholes and not let anybody even come in here without a fight, but they let us in. They let everybody in. You notice the last guy hasn't got a patch. That's because he's a hang around. He'll be a 2X and a 3X. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. We got a lot more to come. Hey, I want you to subscribe to all these guys listed above here. Each one of us, we're on the same trip, but we've seen a lot of different things because we're all different people. Some went downtown, some went to races, some went out to Alzada, and you're only going to see those Alzada videos on Cool website. So check out all the sites on there and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.